welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Alexis. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe down below, comment, and of course like the video. Based on the title, you know what this video is. This is called What to Bring to College, #NCCU edition. I thought this would be really great to show you guys what to bring to school. Obviously with the semester ending, there's a lot of upcoming freshmen who are unsure of what to bring to college, and I pretty much summed up whatever you need on this list. Also, this is one of my highly requested videos, so I thought why not go ahead and film it for you guys before the semester is over. So if you want to keep watching this video, keep watching. So you guys, I am now going to be, technically I'm a sophomore now, guys, so thank you. First year down is such an honor. College has been such a great experience. If you can experience, please do. It's truly like nothing else, honestly. Last summer I was so excited to go to college. I literally was watching tons of YouTube videos, what to bring, what not to bring, this, that. And I watched so many videos. I had everything I needed for college, and I thought, you know what, let me sum this up for you guys so you guys don't have to watch a million videos, but just watch mine. So here we go. I pretty much broke this off in sections. So I have decor, DIY, clean home items, kitchen goods, and then school supply. I'm not really going to talk a lot about the school supplies because I'm pretty sure you guys know 12 years of school really what you need to bring, but don't bring a lot of paper and bring a printer. That's all I have to say about that. So we're gonna go right into it with decor. So a lot of schools have mirrors in their dorm rooms. Here at NCCU, we do not, unless it's a suite. So having a full-length mirror is necessary. I will have all of the things that you need down below. So I'm gonna be talking fast, but you can see it down below if I'm going too fast for you. So full-length mirror, storage bins, which is a must because I'm going to be posting my NCCU closet organizer video really soon on the channel. You guys will see a lot of storage bins in my closet. They're essential. They're just so helpful. It's just amazing. It's amazing. Shoe rack. Inside my closet I have a shoe rack thingy, so I'm able to put my shoes in. Super nice. It's organized. It's clean. All my shoes are there, and it keeps me from having shoes all over my room. The next thing is a lamp. I have a lamp, my roommate has a lamp, and we also have Christmas lights around the room. So sometimes we won't have our lights on, our lamps on, but we'll have the Christmas lights, which adds a nice touch to the room, a nice comfort feeling to that. So definitely suggest getting a lamp. The next thing is a trash can. I don't really have a trash can because I'm right across from the bathroom, so I did bring a trash can, then I realized I don't really need one. But if you're a distance from the trash can or distance from the bathroom from your room, definitely get a trash can. The next thing is a steamer or iron. First semester I used a steamer. I didn't like it. It was more practical to use an iron. But when you get the iron, make sure you get the iron board. So I know a lot of people forget that, or they'll do it on their desk, which I don't suggest. And then the next thing is command strips. I cannot stress command strips enough. Like Bible, you're gonna need it so much. So if you can get a discount coupon, do that because you're going to be hanging around decor and items that you want around your room, and having command strips is essential. The next thing is tapestry. So tapestry, I love tapestries. They really tie the room together. I have one in my room right now. You guys should go check out my dorm room tour video. I'll link that down below also. Show you guys my tapestry. I got it from Target for $14.99. On the expensive side, but it's worth it because I'm going to be using this for the next 3 years and beyond. Having a tapestry really just ties the room together. This actually has to go with the bathroom stuff, but I'll talk about it now. This is a wraparound towel. A lot of people like robes. A lot of people just like wearing towels around the house or to the shower, which is fine. But especially when you're in college, you're around tons of girls and tons of people. And having a wraparound towel is just practical. Literally all you do is literally wrap around your body, tie the Velcro, and you're good. A lint brush. I didn't think about a lint brush until probably 3 or 4 weeks into the semester. Or actually when it started getting cold because my jacket and my whatever. So a lint brush is so essential because you never know what's going to be on your shirt, and having like a piece of tape every time takes a long time. So lint brush is essential as well. A blanket, and then hangers. So blanket, because sometimes when you take naps, you don't want to mess up your beautiful masterpiece of a bed. So having a blanket really is essential. And then hangers. Bring more hangers than you think you're gonna need, because the first of the semester I had the perfect amount of hangers. Then I got more clothes as I went out, and then I started changing my style, and then I needed more hangers. So you rather have enough than not have enough, if that makes any sense. And then this leads me to DIYs, do it yourself. So obviously you guys, college is a big investment, a lot of money. You're investing into your future, which is a great thing. And if you can save money any way possible, try to save that. I didn't really have a budget going into dorm room shopping. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get what's cute, I'm gonna get what's nice, you know, this, that, and the third. And then I went on Pinterest and I started seeing things that I could literally make at home, and I was like, you know what, this is so cool. So one of the things that I did was, my mom has mason jars all over the house. And so what we decided to do was take a mason jar, spray paint it, which was super dope, and put a ribbon on the top, and I use it as a container, which was really practical and really nice, and that will save you money instead of going out and buying $14-15 worth of storage little areas. Take a mason jar, I'm sure y'all have some at home, spray paint it, put a ribbon around it, boom. The next thing is a headboard. Me and my roommate Jada will be doing this next semester. I didn't do this semester because I kind of forgot about it, but I'm definitely doing it next semester. And so how you make a headboard is you take cardboard, you cut it out, you put foam on that, put fabric around it, and you have a nice headboard. So definitely suggest doing that if you want to add something different to your room. And the third thing is a picture frame. So I didn't do this semester because I actually forgot about it as well. I was so caught up in the moment. You guys are going to be caught up too. But if you have everything prepared and ready, you won't forget it. So I was going to take an old picture frame, like a long one, put cardboard on there, put fabric around that also, put it in the frame, and then put my pictures on it, which was going to be really cool and really tight. I got that from Pinterest as well. I didn't do it this semester, but I'm definitely doing it next semester. I didn't do it this past semester, but I'm doing it next semester. The next thing is cleaning items and home life stuff. So Clorox wipes are essential, you guys. It's just, I can't say anymore. Clorox wipes, Lysol. When my roommate got sick, I got sick, and vice versa. So having Lysol, cleaning the room, cleaning the chairs, cleaning the doorknobs is so prime. I can't stress that enough. Air freshener of your choice. Detergent pods. Here at NCCU, we do not have to pay for laundry, so you can use a liquid pod, or I don't think you can use the powder. I think you can only use a liquid or the pod. The pod's essential. I got a whole big thing of the pods, and I still have yet to use all of them. And then last but not least, first aid kit. And also with the first aid kit, make sure you get some pain relief medicine. So if you like Tylenol, Motrin, whatever is your choice, Advil, get that. Stock up on everything. Another thing, guys, instead of buying everything individually, over time that adds up. Buy things in bulk. I got my toothpaste in bulk, my soap in bulk, my face stuff in bulk, and I literally have yet to finish it instead of buying it individually. So Sam's Club is really where it's at, or whatever. I think there's BJ, Sam Club, and another store, but I use Sam's Club. And then last but not least, the kitchen/home goods. So instead of buying plastic forks and plastic plates and plastic cups, it's so important to obviously save money. So what I did was I bought a cup, a plate, a bowl, and then silverware. I bought a fork and a spoon from Target. They were all 79 cents each. And so what I did was when I warmed up something, I would use my plate, obviously use my bowl, whatever, and I would wash it out continuously, and that was that. And it saved me so much money instead of buying plastic stuff. Now of course I got tired of washing a fork every time, so I was like, you know what, I'm sick of this. So I went out and I bought a 300 box of forks, which is really practical. Like I said, once again, buy in bulk. And so I still have yet to finish that, but I still do reuse my plate and my bowl and stuff like that. But my forks were just, it was a lot of just going back and washing it, but it's your choice. Like I said, to save money, definitely do that. And then I'm gonna touch on a couple other things. So I got a trunk from the Container Store in Raleigh, so it was really, really nice. It was like $100-something bucks, but that trunk's gonna last me for a lifetime. My dad had a trunk, my mom had a trunk. It's all in our attic, and now I get my trunk, which is kind of cool. So I got that just to lock up, obviously, safety stuff, important things. Also getting a suitcase. I got a three suitcase from Macy's, I believe. It was actually priced at $500. I got it for $191. Please use your discounts, use anything, use your coupons. Like I said, I got quality worth item at a reasonable price, which is amazing. Also got a storage container, which was really nice. And what else did I get for storage? And I think that's it. I got a couple of desk items, but like I said, all of that you don't need to have, but a trunk is essential and a suitcase is definitely essential because you're going to be traveling. I've done the most traveling this past year literally at college than I did before, so you're going to need that for trips and etc, etc. And you guys, that's truly all you're going to need if you're going to bring a car. Bring your car. I don't really think that's crucial for your freshman year. Me not having my car has really led me to appreciate my car. So definitely, if you want to bring it, bring it. If you don't have to. As your sophomore, junior, senior year, you're gonna obviously want to bring your car. I'm gonna do a YouTube video on how I got these suckers up. I know a lot of people have been asking me, and I'm gonna show you guys. It's great for privacy. It's great just for having, just having your own little time with these curtains. It's amazing. And really, that really completes the list. I'm so excited for you guys. If you're going into your first year of college, you're truly going to experience it. This list, like I said, is going to be linked down below for you guys. I'm going to have my closet organized video coming out very, very soon. And I have another YouTube video that's college related, and I'm going to do a sit down video with you guys, which is going to be really, really cool. And then the vlogs will return back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Stay up, way up, yeah. Best be in the full court with the layup, 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 layup. Stay up, way up, yeah. Best be in the full court with the layup.
I ask the Lord for forgiveness. I've been fornicating, He the only witness. Benji, aka Mr. Stiffness. She look delicious, aka Miss Thickness.